Well, welcome to the Imagineers Workshop. I'm G. Willow. I'm here in the Apache-sitgreaves National Forest, and I thought I'd take a little break. Now, I've had people ask me, what do you carry in that backpack? Well, I'll share that with you. I like a backpack that's sturdy and that has a hydration system, something where you can get a drink without having to reach into your backpack. It's important to stay hydrated here in the Southwest mountains. Let's take a look and see what's inside. I like a backpack where everything is secure, doesn't bounce around. I hate anything rattling and shaking, at least if it's on my back. I like to carry a bandana. And you never know when you might need it. An extra bandana never hurt. An extra bottle of water. Now this is just a plastic soda bottle, frozen, and it sure tastes good. Remember, stay hydrated. I don't only have it for myself, but for others who might run out. I like to carry a little bag of snacks, or might be my lunch. I like to have some fresh fruit, some beef jerky, beef stick, and some type of a cookie. I put it in a plastic bag. Remember, if you pack it in, pack it out. Let's take a look, and that's it for the inside. Sometimes I'll carry a sweater or a lightweight jacket, depending on the weather. But for this time of year, don't need it. Let's take a look at this outside pocket. I make up my own first aid kits. I've got some Band-Aids, some moleskin, some ibuprofen, and there's a little metal thing in there, which I'll share with you at another time. Some of you might recognize it, especially if you're from the cold weather. I bring small purpose paper. It's Kleenex. You can use it for both ends. A rain poncho. These things are invaluable. You just never know. Even though it doesn't rain that often here in the mountains, but you get into the monsoons, and this might come in handy. And they're cheap too. Some chapstick. A pocket knife, and I like to bring a buff. Buffs are great to put around your neck, keep the sun off you or keep you warm, but I like to use it as a beanie after I get done hiking and it's starting to cool off and if my head's a little sweaty. And last, what I have in here is an important thing that's been around for a long time. It's my old Ranger compass. It's important to know how to find your way here in the wilderness. And this one has been used much. So there you go. Make sure you leave your comments. I'd like to know what you carry in your backpack for a day outing. And also give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hope you've enjoyed this segment. And remember, the best is yet to come. If you pack it in, pack it out.